Alright, look what I found here. Although this does not work, this is at the Beijing Police Museum. We got a vintage Otis, just like the two I found in Tianjin. Look at this. A Schindler D-Series call button. But it does not work, unfortunately. But you can see into the cab right there. It's a Birdcage elevators you can see right there. See, like I said, you can see in there if I point the flashlight in there. And this right here is a plaque. Just pause, you want to read that. This museum is about to close soon, so I'm just going to get a view right here. I did go upstairs just a second ago. See, that's looking to the elevator shaft. And they only have the single call station, which is the opposite of up, which I don't get why, which is very strange to have only a single call station on an intermediate floor. But I'm going to do is just take some still pictures. You can see into the car top right there. See, there's your ropes. And that right there's your plaque. Alright, so I'm going to get a perspective view right here. And last but not least, that right there is your fire alarm right there, which is a Chinese one. That looks like this is a call point right there. I don't know, I think it is a leader, I think. This is something I see in Europe. But anyways, that's going to be it. I got to get out of here because it's going to be closed. Thank you so much for watching. That'll be it.